Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by granting the app microphone and storage permissions so it can capture and save audio. This is essential. Next, choose the correct recording source. If you use speakerphone or a VoIP service, pick that source so recordings are clear. Once done, set auto start rules. Record all calls for completeness, contacts only for privacy, or keep manual to control each session. Doing these first avoids missed recordings and ensures correct audio routing during the call. You now configure recording quality and file handling to balance clarity and size. Choose MP3 at 128 kbps for small files or WAV if fidelity matters. Higher bitrate increases space. Next, pick storage. Internal memory is simple, SD card for large archives, or enable cloud backup to sync across devices. Then set naming rules with contact, date, and timestamp so you can find files efficiently. Making these choices upfront prevents lost audio and simplifies long-term organization. You finish by running a short test call to confirm capture level and playback quality. Listen immediately and adjust gain or enable noise reduction if voices are low. Once satisfied, enable autosave and optional encryption for sensitive conversations. If recordings fail, restart the app and recheck permissions. Some carriers block call capture, so switch to speakerphone or use VoIP as a workaround. Remember, testing and quick adjustments save time and prevent missed evidence or lost business details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.